Now, to generate some random houses, which I think you're gonna like very much, Jordan. It'll be great. It's super...
It's a real high quality approach. I think you'll find for sure.
the sort of thing I can do in 2 hours.
Ooh.
So, you know, big good.
Have you ever heard of the hit game Among Us?
Pour all of your molten gummy into the mold and then let it harden, and you'll have a little friend sit at your desk.
I know why. That's why. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. You could start a lemonade stand, but for gummy bears. Alright. The moment of truth, the second time edition. Probably moved itself at this point. It's like, yay! I did it! I created a city!
Oh, it's such a realistic city.
Oh no!
It's so great. It's so laggy, Jordan. It's so perfect.
You know what they say? Don't wear a hat of deceit, or I'll eat your feet.
Oh.
They're too separated. It doesn't look busy enough. Now I have to go delete them all again. I don't know who came up with this stupid game anyway, but we're making it.
Definitely wasn't me. Whatever he's doing would eventually get more polished up, but for now we're just taking the only house model we have and duplicating it.
No, what are you talking about? This is a full procedural quantum algorithm city generator.
Procedurally modeling and unwrapping each house in a completely unique...
We don't even need an artist at Colton Jordan Studios.
Yes,
I just program the art.
That's why you never see my screen. Is
we're trying to make humans obsolete here at Colton Jordan Studios.
I'm not even the original Jordan anymore. I'm actually a concept of his brain has been uploaded into the Colton.
I just wrote a neural network that's Jordan. I have great news. None of it is static. I'm just gonna force them all to be static all the way down the hierarchy, and they're gonna like it. It is recursively making every single object static, and it's taking a long time. Still going. This is one of the strange objects I received for Christmas. It's still going. This is a good time to look at the highlight reel of the last stream directly in the video editor. I hope that's not laggy.
What happened?
I'm reacting to a video of me reacting to my turrets. Unity, are you done yet? No.
We need to put this in the highlight reel
What?
of the next time, so we get some triple inception.
Oh yeah, we'll just keep making these videos so that it's me reacting to the previous stream until it's just this, like, putting two mirrors up against each other. It's still going!
You need to give Unity some of your focus a little.
No, I'm just ending it. Oh, it's gonna try to bake. I think we have to destroy Unity again.
Stream's laggy on my...
It tried to bake!
I just heard our conversation from like 30 seconds ago.
Happen. This will be efficient. I will have 400 houses and no one's gonna stop me. It's easy. Watch. We're just gonna bake occlusion culling now. We are baking occlusion. Oh god. This is going really well. New idea. What if we didn't have 400 houses? Oh, it looks pretty spooky. The spookiest part of all is the fact that it's laggy. Pretty spooky. I'm just gonna make, like, even fewer than that. I want to make, like, lootable things. Oh, what do you know? If you lower it an order of magnitude, it gets better. This is so small, I might actually be able to bake occlusion culling. We're going for it.
Yes. Yes, baking, yes. Quickly, before it literally crashes the stream.
All I want for Christmas is my occlusion culling to be baked without crashing my stream. If this works, it will be the greatest day of my life. Maybe the second greatest day. It'll be it's a good day if it happens. It's somewhere in the list. What music will make me popular among us, streamer man? We're gonna make it. Occlusion culling will be baked. I will have a tiny town of houses, and nobody's gonna stop me. That went so well. Not really.
Time to bake nav mesh.
That is true. The best code is to type in "make game for me" and then hit enter, and then
That never occurred to
C#
me.
it just codes itself.
Do you mind if I copy and paste your code? Oh, I'm sorry, you used asterisks. What if it were a string? Huh, we'll come back to that. Everything that could have possibly gone wrong when I wrote this went wrong. Now it'll work, for sure, definitely. 100% confidence this time. I'm betting my house on it. Which means I get 2 houses if it... Yay, 2 houses! This is the greatest day of my life. Except for that other one. Wasn't there one earlier in this stream? Dear God, what happened here?
Greatest day of your life. Okay.
Oh my God. A can of snoot. A can of snoot.
A can of snoot. That's another can of snoot. That's another can of snoot. That's another can of snoot. There's a can of snoot.
Is it even physically possible to spawn other things? What was that tiny dot I just saw? There are in fact foam fingies. They're just tiny! I knew it! There was a tiny foam fingy! Why did you make these foam fingies so small, Jordan? I know what to do. We'll increase our looting odds, which is not cheating. It's innovation. Whoa, what do you know?